my future doctors. So, question number 10. Which process occurs within mitochondria? The correct answer is cellular respiration. So, but why? Mitochondria are known as the powerhouse of the cell because they produce most of the cell's ATP through aerobic cellular respiration. Yes? Inside the mitochondria, the Krebs cycle and the electron transport chain work together to convert energy from food to ATP. Yes? Glycolysis, on the other hand, occurs in cytoplasm. Yes? And photosynthesis only takes place in plant chloroplast. Yes? Got it? So, the next question. What is a hydrogen bond? Yes? The correct answer is D. It's a weak attraction between hydrogen atom and a strongly electronegative atom in other molecule. Electronegative atom, remember guys, this secret code, FON, fluorine, oxygen, and nitrogen. Yes? So, question number 12. In eukaryotic cells, Krebs cycle reaction occurs. The correct answer is B, in the mitochondrial matrix. Yes? So, question number 13. What kind of monosaccharides is glucose? Yes, is hexose. But why? Glucose contains 6 carbon, yes? 6 carbons atoms, making it a hexose sugar, yes? Hexose sugar. So, question number 14. Which pentose sugar is present in RNA nucleotides? Yes? Its easy question is ribose. Yes? So, question number 15. What are carrier proteins? Yes? The correct answer is E. Proteins that transfer molecules and ions across the plasma membrane. So, the next question. What is the cell's energy currency? It's easy question. Is ATP. Question number 17. Which kind of reaction is ATP hydrolysis? Yes? The correct answer is D. Exergonic. ATP hydrolysis releases energy by breaking the bond between the second and third phosphate group. Yes? Because energy is released rather than absorbed. This is classified as an exergonic reaction. So, the next question. The presence of intercellular compartmentalization is a characteristic of which organism? Is the correct answer is eukaryotes. Yes? So, the next question. Number 19. Which intracellular structure is composed of microtubules? Yes? The correct answer is centriole. Yes? Centriole are cylindrical structures made of microtubules arranged in distinctive pattern. Yes? They help organize the meiotic spindle. Yes? Meiotic spindle. Yes? During the cell division and playing an important role in separating chromosomes into daughter cells. Yes? So, the next question. Mitochondria have, the correct answer is D, an outer membrane and a highly selective inner membrane. Yes? But why? Mitochondria are surrounded by 2 membranes. The outer membrane is relatively permeable. Yes? While the inner membrane is highly selective and folded into structures called cristae. Yes? These folds greatly increase the surface area available for ATP production. Yes? Got it, my boys and girls? So, the next question. 21. What is an anticodon? Yes? Surely you know, yes? Correct answer D. A sequence of 3 nucleotides on tRNA or transfer RNA that pairs with an mRNA codon. Yes? It's easy. So, question number 22. What are ribosomes made of? Yes? The correct answer is C. RNA and proteins. Ribosomes are composed of ribosomal RNA. Yes? Ribosomal RNA, known as rRNA, yes, and proteins. Got it? Together, these components form the cellular machinery responsible for translating messenger RNA into proteins, yes? So, the next question. The cell membrane consists of D. A phospholipid bilayer with hydrophobic tails facing inward and embedded proteins, yes? It's easy question. So, the next question. Number 24. In protein synthesis, what is translation? Yes? The correct answer C. The process by which mRNA is read and converted into a specific sequence of amino acids. Yes? Translation is the second major step of protein synthesis. Yes? Second major step. Yes? During this process, ribosomes read the genetic instructions carried by messenger RNA or mRNA, while transfer RNA delivers the correct amino acids one by one. These amino acids are linked together to build a protein. Yes? mRNA comes from nucleus to cytoplasm, and ribosome translates to amino acid, and amino acids together make a protein. Yes? So, the next question, 25. What are the principal components of the cytoskeleton? Yes? The correct answer E. Microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. Yes? The cytoskeleton is made up of three main components: microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate filaments. Together, they maintain cell shape, provide a structural support, transport organelles, and allow cells to move and divide. Yes? So, 26. The term allele defines. The correct answer is B. One of the several alternative forms of a gene. Yes? An allele is one of two or more versions of same gene located at the same position on homologous chromosomes. Yes? Different alleles can produce different traits, such as different eye colors or blood types. Yes? So, the next question, 27. In the heterozygous condition, an allele can certainly express itself when is dominant. Yes? It's easy question. So, 28. What are mutations? Yes? Correct answer is D. Alterations in the genetic information of a cell. Yes? Mutations are permanent changes. In the DNA sequence of the cell. Yes? DNA sequence. They can occur naturally or be caused by environmental factors such as radiation or chemical. Yes? Radiation or chemicals such as cigarette, yes, and others. While some mutations are harmful, others are harmless or even beneficial, providing the genetic variation needed for evolution. Yes? So the next question, 29. Translation is a process which E. leads to synthesis of polypeptide chains from mRNA. I explained for you. So the next question, 30. If the DNA sequence is CCG, TTA, TTJA, what is the complementary sequence? Yes? It's easy question. Is C, G, G, C, A, T, A, C, T. It's easy question. G with, excuse me, G with triple bond with C, and T with double bond with A. So the next question, 31. Replication is the process through which B. DNA is used as a template to synthesize new DNA molecules. It's very easy question. So 32, the prokaryote operon is the a functional unit composed of a adjacent genes controlled together with regulatory DNA sequences. Yes, an operon is a cluster of genes found in prokaryotes that are controlled by a single promoter and regulatory sequences. Yes, this arrangement allows bacteria to switch multiple related genes on or off at the same time. Yes, making gene expression fast and energy efficient. One of the best known example is the lac operon. Yes, it's famous. Which controls lactose metabolism in bacteria. Have a good time, my future doctors. Love you.